how to delete system reverse storage safely on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to delete system reverse storage safely on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to go with the system section. Under system, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of storage. Click on storage. From storage, you need to scroll down again and go with more storage settings. Under that, you will have view storage usage on other drives. Click on that and go and click on the local disk C or where you have installed your Windows. And here you'll find system and reserved. You need to click on that. And as you can see that you will have reserved storage right here, which is in my case, it's 6.71 GB. So what you need to do, you need to open up your CMD at first, right click on it, go with run as administrator, click on yes. And here you need to just type an interface, which is DISM space / online space / set hyphen reserved storage state space / state disabled. Once you've typed, you need to just simply hit the enter and it will automatically say disable reserve storage in your PC. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.